I wanted to share why I decided to run this, and I don't know why there's such a disconnect with running right now. I think that it's actually time to prepare for this half marathon. I've been procrastinating, but I think I'm gonna pack a little. Come with me. My daughter doesn't know that we're having a little staycation. Let's do a swim set, a little PJ. Now this girl changes. Perfect. So this is pretty much what I have so far. I haven't even tried it on. So if you ever have a race and you have not ran in it, so I'm literally doing everything that I was taught not to do. I got new socks, got new shorts, got new top, and a new vest to race. We're just gonna race. So let me try it on at least to see if it even fits. Okay, so I'm thinking it's gonna be fine. I've never actually ran in shorts. I washed my hair. Today's Friday. It's gonna be fine for Sunday. So on Sunday, I'll show you everything that I'm gonna pack. And honestly, I wanted to share a little bit about why I decided to run this in the first place, because I haven't really practiced and I don't know why there's such a disconnect with running right now. So I mean, well, let's talk about it. Let me tell you a little bit about running and how it completely changed my life, how hard running has been with all the transitions. I started running, I wouldn't say I was depressed, but I wasn't feeling my best. I had crazy depression back in 2022. 2023, I mean, I was doing a little bit better, but in 2024, I'm like, okay, I need to do something. I can't just be like sulking forever. P.S. These are the shoes that I'm gonna be wearing. Super cute. Pack these. I have a whole story too on how I started running. I'll probably link it, but feeling good with myself, and running kept coming up. It kept coming up on my feed, run clubs, on TikTok. And then I saw a guy say, I trained for a half marathon in 1 month. No, I trained for a marathon in 1 month. And I'm like, oh, okay, fine. It was amazing. I started running, and then we moved this year. That was about like 5 months into my running journey, or 6, somewhere around there. That kind of took a toll on my running. Here's what I think happened. I believe that running was very necessary in order for me to start and like close the chapter of depression. And I do this 100%. I'm self-diagnosed, okay? It's just my little disclaimer. Wasn't feeling 100. I know that I wasn't feeling 100%. And so I think that running jump-started my closure of my depression, but like this move kind of healed me in closing that chapter. Does that make sense? Running started that journey of healing, and then moving pretty much, it was like as if I shed everything that I once knew in that apartment, those 5 years. And so I don't know, I just felt like maybe I don't really need running that much. I'm in my new home, like I feel good. All of the runs that I've done, I did the hot chocolate run, I did the Golden Gate half, I did a few 10Ks here and there, I did do a Livermore half marathon, but it wasn't like that excitement the first half marathons I did. And you know what? Maybe it's not gonna feel like that same first half marathon. Maybe I don't feel like running and it's not my favorite thing to do, but I'm still gonna do it because I know it's good for me. I know that I would rather I would rather run and sign up for a race and train for a race than go do burpees. And so that's kind of where I'm at. I don't hate it. I like the actual race. I guess I just understand and always compare this to business. You're not gonna love every single aspect of your business, and that doesn't mean that you don't love your business. Okay, so I am packing. We are doing a little staycation. The race that I'm running is the San Jose half marathon, but with rock and roll. We're gonna do a little staycation, packing my things, packed my daughter's things. I live about 45 minutes away, so honestly, I wanted to make this a little staycation so Malia can be part of it, so she can see. She's never been to any of my races, like as a cheering honor for literally the entire year, and she's more interested in running now. So I kind of wanted her to see it, and if she asks me, I don't want to force her, but if she asks me like if she wants to do a race, then I'll sign up with her to do a race. Okay, let me show you everything that I'm packing for my hair. You may or may not know, I am a trichologist and hair loss practitioner, and I refuse to lose my hairline. This is my weaker area, but I mean, my hair's pretty freaking long. Let me tell you how I'm gonna protect my hairline. First things first, I'm gonna have an oil treatment in. So I'm gonna drench my scalp while I'm running, and I'm gonna drench my entire hair with my leave-in conditioner. This one specifically is a damage repair / a bond fortifying leave-in. And so what that means is that it's gonna make my hair nice and strong. I am gonna put my hair in a braid. This combination specifically should help my hair not feel so dry. I don't want a lot of breakage on my ends and all, so these two, we're taking these. Aside from that, taking a flexible hold gel, so I'm not gonna be all crusty, musty, like white flakes. And that's pretty much it for my hair. Because I'm staying at home and I'm gonna come back home to wash my hair and do all the things, like that should be enough. Then my headband has a satin lining instead of just a regular headband, you know? A few other things I'm taking for sure is obviously my sunscreen. I'm gonna put glitter on my body. So I'm also putting glitter on my hair. 100% adding my scalp serum, which is gonna help me stimulate my growth. I'm doing all the things. Am I doing too much? Probably. Okay, I'm gonna do my little makeup bag. So yes, products. Yes, serums. All of it is coming with me. Okay, so let me show you everything I'm taking in my vest. I haven't packed it yet. I don't even know if it fits. But let me show you. I am gonna take one of these because I'm probably not gonna have coffee in the morning. I prefer like an energy drink. Scared of coffee. So I'm just gonna have these. That way I don't have to deal with the can. I am taking my hydration. I'll probably only use one, but just in case someone else needs one. And I'll take my non-caffeinated one. These are the ones that I prefer. They kind of taste like the Go-Gurts from like the 90s. So I'll probably do this every 5K, basically. And then these are the ones that I am gonna be taking in between this. So from mile 3 to 8 is probably where I'll take these right here. Not all of them, but just a serving. These are my emergency snacks. And that's what I'm taking. My half marathon is tomorrow and I have literally everything set up step by step. My little skin, concealer, brows, a little bit of cheek, lip stain. This is going to be an additional sunblock. My skincare is here. This is my leg stuff. So I'm gonna put like glitter on my legs. This is gonna be my hair stuff. I'll show you exactly what I'm doing to my hair and then more glitter.
We'll start walking down that way, okay? Say, see you in a second, Mama.